Hello everyone, I'm Shazad and you're watching Fast 360 News. Here are the top stories.
Nvidia may be ramping up production again, and this time, China is the key driver. According to sources, Nvidia is considering increasing output of its powerful H200 AI chips after seeing unexpectedly strong demand from Chinese customers. Despite US export restrictions on advanced semiconductors, demand for AI computing power inside China continues to surge, especially from data centers and cloud service providers. The H200 chip is one of Nvidia's most advanced AI accelerators, designed for large language models, data analytics, and high-performance computing. It offers faster memory and higher efficiency, making it extremely attractive for AI workloads, even in restricted markets. This potential output increase highlights the complex balance Nvidia faces between complying with US regulations and meeting global market demand. China remains a critical revenue source, and any production shift could have major implications for the global AI chip race. As AI demand explodes worldwide, Nvidia's next move could reshape both the tech industry and geopolitical tech tensions. Stay tuned, this story is far from over. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily tech and crypto updates.
Stay tuned, the global world story is far from over. Make sure to subscribe for more fast world updates.